Today's video is a response to the TED Talk over air pollution and discuss the key points and information throughout the TED Talk that was meant for us to watch this week. So the man who was speaking in the video was talking about air pollution. He told us that 7 million people die each year due to air pollution, and he was talking about how every time you breathe in through your nose, you're drawing in stuff that's not supposed to be in your body. He touched on chemicals such as formaldehyde, gases like NO2, all things that shouldn't be in the human body. He says that air pollution is the cause to why so many are dying from us inhaling these poisonous gases and chemicals that are deposited from our nose into our lungs and into our bloodstream. He says that the main source of cause for air pollution is man-made, but he says what contributes to the factor of air pollution is poverty. When you are in an impoverished situation, you don't have the funds, you don't have the stand-up government that some of the bigger first world countries have. So there's no way to fix it right away or even try to start on it because they're too busy dealing with other problems or doing with their own personal gain. He talks about how air pollution affects even the economy of a country. He says in his video that 8% of the GDP was cut off from the economy of India to deal with air pollution. While in China, their GDP was cut by 10% to combat air pollution in China. Also, it affects the production of a country. So if your economy's cut, he says that even the ways that you make your money is cut. In India, a fifth of the wheat production was cut in half due to air, or not in half, by 1/5 of the production was cut in India for wheat, and then 1/3 in rice was cut from the GDP due to air pollution. He also goes into discussing how there are two different types of air pollution. One being man-made, which is the most common, but there's also nature's way of air pollution. Mostly due to volcanoes when they erupt, they're spewing tons of poisonous gases out of the top of those volcanoes when they erupt, wherever they may be. He says our solution to this problem is really trying to cut out the man-made pollution as much as possible, but also a solution that if we can't afford that are these little box filters, probably about yay big, that are meant for cars, take out all of the bad stuff out of the air and dispose of it later on. So his main overall topic was we need to do something about this because it's killing us. But there's only a few ways to do it, and we have to start by doing our part one step at a time.